Look at these sky creatures. Holy. This is unreal, people. Look at this. All these sky creatures. I got a ton of them, and you got that other crap mixed in with them. See it? And you got the sky creatures. Check this out. They're like freaking huge. And you got the simulator coming up right there. Oh, there's that jet that went by. He's shining out there. This is crazy shit. Look. This is beautiful. Check that out. They're everywhere. There's my bird. He's talking to me this morning already. He's up on the pole across the street. He flew over when I pulled up right there. He's been talking to me ever since.